Hi everyone, this is Mehmood Sheikh, and in today's video I will discuss about components of operating system. Okay, so I have listed down all the components of operating system, and each and every component of operating system is equally important. And in this series of operating system we will going to cover each and every of this component in detail. Okay, but in this video we'll only discuss about memory management, okay, which is first component of the operating system. Okay, so now let us start our discussion with the first component, which is memory management. Okay, so first point says it's about management of primary or main memory. Okay, so this memory management is all about how we manage, how operating system manage its memory. Okay, so since this primary memory, which we call it as a main memory, will be located very near to the processor. Okay, if processor wants to execute any instruction, then it has to be loaded from the main memory only. Okay, so one by one, primary or main memory stores all the processes or programs inside itself, and then one by one, based on the various scheduling algorithms, processor will going to pick all those processes from this main memory, and once process executes these processes, then it will come out from the processor, and then processor will move on to the next program in the main memory. Okay, so like this, processes will be continuously sent to the processor, executes, and then come out. Okay, so for doing that process we should have a place where we can store all our processes, and that place is main memory, or we can also call it as a primary memory. Okay, so now second point is, in computers, main memory is a large array of bytes where each byte has its own address. Okay, so in computer systems, main memory is very important. Okay, because in the main memory itself will be storing all our programs, all our processes, and we also call it as a RAM as well. Okay, so this main memory is very important in computer systems, and it is a large array of bytes where each byte has its own address. Okay, in memory system, each and every byte is identified with its own address. Okay, next point, main memory is faster than the secondary memory, and the instruction in the main memory will be directly accessed by the CPU. Okay, so there are other memories as well, which is secondary memory. Okay, but main memory is comparatively faster than the secondary memory. Okay, and CPU can directly access the information from the main memory. So main memory is faster, that's why processor can easily access the instructions and programs from the main memory. Okay, so now what are the rules of main memory? Okay, so the operating system perform keeping track of primary memory. Okay, so operating system continuously monitors how much memory is been allocated to various processes, various programs. Okay, and softwares, how much memory is been used. Okay, how much memory is been utilized, and how much memory is been pending, so that we can use that memory for other processes. Okay, so that continuous check will be done by the operating system, and then operating system decides how much memory to allocate for processes. Okay, so this also the duty of the operating system, that to decide how much memory is to be allocated to any process. And also operating system is responsible in deallocating the memory from the processes which are no longer required in the system, so that we can reclaim the memory which was earlierly assigned to those processes. And once that memory is been reclaimed, then we can put that memory in the memory pool, and we can use that memory for allocating to other processes. Okay, so this is everything about memory management. It's one of the important concept of computers. I mean, in the main memory itself we'll be storing all our programs, all our processes, and processor will going to read the instruction from the main memory because it's faster. So these are the few roles and responsibilities of operating system with respect to memory. So that's all for this video, and I hope you understood what is memory management. Okay, and if you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.